Good morning, children. Today we will study about the capital market. We have already studied about the money market. As we know that the financial market is divided into two parts, the money market and the capital market. Money market is for the short term money and the capital market is for the long term securities or long term shares. So, facilities and institutional arrangement through which long term securities are raised and invested both in debt and equity is called the capital market. So, capital market is an institutional arrangement through which the long term shares, long term securities are raised and it is invested both in the debt and the equity. Now, what is the nature of the capital market? Important components of financial market. So it is the capital market is a very important component of financial market. Now second nature is there are two segments of the capital market. Capital market is divided into two market, the primary market and the secondary market. Then it is of two forms, organized and unorganized. Long term securities are traded in the capital market. Capital market satisfies long term requirement of the funds. Capital market performs trade off functions. Then capital market creates dispersion in business ownership, and then capital market helps in capital formation. Capital market also creates liquidity. So all these are the natures of the capital market. Now what are the features of the capital market instruments? There are basically 6 features of the capital market instruments. Number 1, capital market instruments provide long term funds. Then capital market instruments are lesser outlay required as unit value of instrument is low. So unit value instrument is low, so there is lesser outlay required for this capital market instrument. Duration more than 1 year. So capital market instruments duration is of more than 1 year. It is highly liquid. Safety is very less. It is not at all safe. Then higher expected return as compared to the short term security. So in the capital market we expect higher returns as compared to the short term securities, that is the money market. Now capital market can be divided into two parts, the primary market and the secondary market. Now what is primary market? Primary market is also called the new issues market, where the new shares are issued for the first time. Transfers investable funds from savers to entrepreneurs. The fund is transferred from the savers, who are the households, to the entrepreneurs who require the money to run their business and the company. Funds used for setting up new projects. The funds used in the primary market is used for starting a new project, then for the expansion of the company, diversification of the company, modernization of existing project, mergers and takeovers, etc. All these things are done in the primary market. Methods of flotation of the new issues in primary market. What are the methods of flotation of new issues in the primary market? Number 1, offer through prospectus. It involves inviting subscription from the public through issue of prospectus. So it invites subscription from the public. Public subscription is invited through the issue of the prospectus. Prospectus is issued and then subscription for the new shares is invited from the public. A prospectus makes a direct appeal to the investor to raise capital through an advertisement in newspaper and magazines. So a prospectus makes a direct appeal to the investor. It directly appeals to the investor to raise capital through the investment in the newspaper and the magazines. Now, second method of flotation of the new issues in the primary market is offer for sale. Under this method, securities are offered for sale through the intermediaries. So whenever a company wants the money, the securities or the shares are offered for sale through the intermediaries. That intermediaries may be issuing house or the stock brokers. So the company gives the responsibility to the stockbrokers to issue the securities into the market and collect the money and give to the company. The company sells security to intermediaries, broker at a agreed price, and the broker resells them to the investors at the higher price. So company sells the shares to the broker at the agreed price, and then the broker sells the shares to the investors at the higher price and gets the profit. The profit is taken by the broker. Now, third way by which the company can get the money from the market, that is the primary market, is through the private placement. It refers to the process in which security are allocated to institutional investor and some selected individuals. So here the company gives the securities to the institutional investor, that is the LIC, or it may be Morgan Stanley or other big banks, and also to the selected individual, and then collect the money, and with that money they start the project. The fourth way by which the shares can be issued in the primary market is rights issue. It refers to the issue in which new shares are offered to the existing shareholders in proportion to the number of shares they already have. So those who are the existing shareholders of the company, they are given the new shares in the proportion to the number of shares they already have of the old company. Then the last way of issuing the shares in the primary market is eIPO. eIPO, it is the method of issuing security through online system of the stock exchange. So through the online system of the stock exchange, the securities or the shares are issued, then it is called the eIPO. A company proposing to issue capital to the public through the online system of stock exchange has to enter into the agreement with the stock exchange. So all those companies who want to issue the money to the public through the online system, they have to get the agreement with the stock exchange. This is called an initial public offering or eIPO. So this agreement is basically called the initial or initial public offer. SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, a registered broker have to be appointed for the purpose of accepting application and placing order with the company. So the SEBI registered broker are appointed for this purpose, for accepting the application and then placing the order with the company. So these are the 5 ways by which the company issue the shares into the primary market for the first time. Now, secondary market. Secondary market refers to market where existing securities are bought and sold. So the existing securities are bought and sold in the secondary market. The company is not involved in the transaction at all. So here company has no role. The brokers have their role. They buy and sell the securities of the company. It is between the two investors. So two investors sell their securities. Features of secondary markets are: creates liquidity, fixed location, comes from primary market and encourages new investment. So this secondary market creates a very good liquidity. Then secondary market is fixed located place, that is the BSE or the NSE, which is also called the share market. Then it comes after the primary market, and the fourth one is it encourages new investments. Now, what are the difference between the primary market and the secondary market? The basic difference is only new securities are issued in the primary market, while the existing security are traded in the secondary market. Then price of security are determined by the management of the company. So in the primary market, the price of the security are determined by the management of the company, while in secondary market, the price are determined by the forces of demand and supply of the securities. Then in the primary market, securities are sold to investor directly by the company. So here in the primary market, directly the shares are sold to the investor by the company, while in the secondary market, investors exchange ownership of the security. So in the shares are traded between the two investors or between the two traders. In primary market, there is no fixed geographical location, while the secondary market, it is located at a specified place, which is also known as BSE and NSE, Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. Then in primary market, only buying of security takes place. In the primary market, only buying of security takes place, while in the secondary market, both buying and selling of the security takes place. Today only this much. Thank you.